Hello, this is Marvin, and I will explain and show how a GIF is made. A GIF is a format for image files that supports both animated and static images. Usually, a GIF is posted on Facebook and in some other forms of social media. The tools you need to make a GIF from Filmora 9 are text motion, selected title, the red bar in the timeline, as well as the cut icon. All are identified through the arrows. Importantly, you're going to need a video clip. Drag the file into the timeline. Choose a title and drag it above the video file. You can create the text in the title first and then go to the video file and choose a part that you want to make as a GIF by cutting both ends using scissor icon and the red bar. When you have cut the part you want from the video, get back to right and animate text in the title. After typing the text in your title, you can choose and apply motion to animate your text, then export it. If you do these given steps, you'll be able to create a GIF. Now see the video instructions that follow in this project. Now here are 3 examples with animated text. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.